and welcome to another math tutorial. Now, our task is to find the value of a and b. We are given two equations. Thus, we have a system of equations. The first equation we are given is a plus b multiplied by a squared plus b squared equals to 85. Now, this is equation number 1, okay? Equation 1. Then also we are given a minus b, product of a minus b, and a squared minus b squared equals to 45. And this is given to be equation 2. All right, so now, to be able to solve for the value of a and b, of course, I use 4 different methods, but we're going to use only one method, one of the simplest method, okay? And that will be when we first had equation 1 and equation 2 to get equation 3. And again, we subtract equation 2 from equation 1 to get equation 4. Then from there, we navigate, we can now solve for the value of a and b. So step 1, we add equation 1 and equation 2. And that will be from equation 1, we have bracket a plus b, okay, multiplied by a squared plus b squared, okay, plus into, and we also have plus a minus b multiplied by a squared minus b squared equals to 85 plus 45. Okay, so if we expand this will be a cubed plus ab squared plus a squared b, okay, then that is a times a squared, that will be a cubed, a times b squared, that will be ab squared, okay. Now b times a squared, that will be a squared b, then plus b cubed. Okay, in this case, this will be a cubed, okay, minus ab squared, then minus a squared b plus b cubed equals to 130. Now we know from here that a cubed plus a cubed, that will be 2a cubed. B cubed plus b cubed, that will be 2b cubed. Okay, ab squared minus ab squared, that will be 0. A squared b minus a squared b, that will be 0. Okay, so we'll be left with a cubed plus a cubed, which is 2a cubed. Then b cubed plus b cubed, which is 2b cubed, equals to 130. Okay, so we can then write this to be 2 into a cubed plus b cubed equals to 130. So if we divide both sides by 2, we can say that 2 into a cubed plus b cubed divided by 2 equals to 130 divided by 2. So that a cubed plus b cubed will be equals to 65. And this is equation 3. That's equation 3. All right, so to write equation 4, okay, we need to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, so let's subtract equation 2, okay, from equation 1. Okay, so we have equation 1 to be the product of a plus b, then a squared plus b squared, okay, minus the product of a minus b, okay, a squared negative b squared, okay, that will be equals to 85 minus 45. So in this case, if we do expansion in this case, this will be a cubed plus ab squared, okay, then plus a squared b, then this will be plus b cubed, okay, then minus square bracket, so this will be a cubed, okay, minus ab squared, then minus a squared b, then plus b cubed equals to, so this is going to be 40. All right, so in this case, if we remove the square bracket, so we're going to have a cubed minus a cubed, then plus this ab squared, okay, negative times negative is what? Positive, so this will be plus ab squared, then a squared b, then this also will be plus a squared b, then plus b cubed minus b cubed equals to 40. So a cubed, b cubed minus b cubed will be 0. A cubed minus a cubed will be 0. So in this case, we have 2ab squared, because this is ab squared plus ab squared. Okay, ab squared plus ab squared. Okay, there's still one more. We have ab squared. Okay, ab squared plus ab squared. Then a squared b plus a squared b. Okay, let me add that here. We have a squared b plus a squared b. So we have that to be equals to 40. So this will be 2ab squared, a squared b plus a squared b. That will be 2a squared b. And that equals to 40. So I can now factor out 2 in this case. So we have ab squared plus a squared b equals to 40. So now let's divide both sides by 2. So that 2 into ab squared plus a squared b divided by 2 will be equals to 40 divided by 2. Okay, so that our new equation will be ab squared plus a squared b equals to 20. And this is our equation 4. That's the fourth equation. Okay, we can write this fourth equation to be, because we can see here that AB is a common factor. So let's factor out AB. So this will be AB into B plus A equals to 20. Yeah, equals to 20. Okay, so now, so this is our equation 4. This is equation 4. Now, let's recall. Now, we know that one of the algebraic identities, the one we know to be cube of a sum. So when we use cube of a sum, so let's recall cube of a sum. Like if we have the cubed of x plus y, that will be x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y. So which means for a plus b, cubed of a plus b, that will be a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. All right, so we're going to use this to what? To find one of the value, that's the value of one of the two variables. Okay, so now in this case we have cubed of a plus b. So we know that a cubed plus b cubed is our equation 3. A cubed plus b cubed is 65. So this will be 65 plus 3. Now ab into a plus b, that's 20. So we multiply this by 20. So that this will be 65 plus 60, and that will be 125, and that will be equals to the cubed of a plus b. So if you take cubed roots, if you take the cubed root of both sides, okay, cubed roots of both sides, okay, then this will reduce to a plus b equals to 5. So we have the sum of a and b to be what? 5. Now let's go back to equation 2. Okay, now let's call this equation 5. Let's call this equation 5. Now from our equation 2, now from equation 2, we know that if we have a product of a minus b and difference of the squares of a and b to be equals to 45. This is the same thing as a minus b multiplied by a minus b, then multiplied by a plus b, okay, which is equals to 45. Okay, so this will be a minus b, that's when we multiply this will become the square of a minus b, and then we know that a plus b is what? 5. Then that is equals to 45. So we can then say that 5 into a minus b squared equals 45. So if you divide both sides by 5, okay, divide both sides by 5. So we then have a minus b raised to the power of 2 to be equals to 9. So if you take the square root of both sides. Okay, the square root of both sides. Now, in this case, only positive solution works in this case. Okay, we can't use that. That is because in this case, as we have taken the square root of 9, okay, of course, we're going to get positive plus or minus 3. But in this case, it has to be plus 3. So in this case, this will be a minus b equals to 3. So we have a minus b equals to 3. And we also have a plus b equals to 5. So from here, we know what to do. So that means that, so if you call this the sixth equation, so that means that we have a plus b equals 5, then a minus b equals 3. So if we add the equations, so we are going to have, that is, this will be 2a, this will be 0, then that will be equals to, this is 8. So if you divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2, okay, then this will be a equals to 4. So the value of a is 4. So we can substitute for a in any of the two equations we have here. That is equation 4, equation 5, okay, and equation 6. Okay, let's substitute for a in equation 6. We have equation 6 to be a minus b equals to 3. So this is 4 minus b equals 3. So this will be 4 minus 3 equals b. So that b is equals to 1. So therefore, the value of a and b is 4 and 1. The value of a and b is 4 and 1. Now we can also verify our answer. Let's verify our answer. Okay, let's verify our answer. Now let's verify. Okay, so we have the value of a to be 4 and the value of b to be 1. So for equation 1, we have a plus b multiplied by squared of a plus squared of b equals 85. Now we have a to be 4, so 4 plus 1, b is 1. This will be 4 squared plus 1 squared, okay? Now, are we going to get 85? Okay, let's find out. This will be 5. Then multiply by 16 plus 1. That will be 17, okay? So if you multiply 17 by 5, we're going to get 85. So which means it satisfies the first equation. Then also, so that's for equation 1. For a minus b, okay, multiply by a squared minus b squared equals to 45. So we know that the left hand side is a minus b, a squared minus b squared. So we have a to be 4, so 4 minus 1 because b equals to 1. Then we have 4 squared minus 1 squared. This will be 3 multiplied by 16 minus 1. That will be 15. And this is 45. So which means the values of a and b which satisfies this equation are 4 and 1. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.